So as now you have purchased the plan of Pabbly Chatflow, in this video I will show you how you can set up your Pabbly Chatflow account. With that, how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot as well as your first AI assistant. Firstly, let us dive into the setup of our Pabbly Chatflow account.
Welcome to my screen. Now on your computer, you need to browse the website of Pabbly Chatflow to get started. Okay? Pabbly Chatflow's website is www.pabbly.com/chatflow, and this is the landing page. On the landing page, you will have two options. So if you're a new user, you do not have an account with Pabbly Chatflow, simply sign up for free from here. You have to log in and you will get 100 free credits. But as you have purchased the plan, directly create your account. I will sign into my account right here. Then you will see the All Pabbly Apps section after signing in. You want to use Pabbly Chatflow, click on this Access Now button, okay? Then the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow is going to appear in front of you. Now, as you have recently logged into your Pabbly Chatflow account, you will be assigned by the credits like this. As you have purchased the account, you will see the credits consumed that are used by you. As you have a fresh account, it will be 0, okay? Credits remaining credits out of the allotted one, and over here you can see a WhatsApp number. You will see it says 1. As soon as you go to log into your Pabbly Chatflow account, you will find a demo number is already added inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. If you want, you can delete it over here as well. Okay, so now as we want to add our WhatsApp number to create this amazing setup, simply click on this Add WhatsApp Number button. In this video, I will show you how you can connect your WhatsApp number using the method that is WhatsApp Connect. If you want to learn about manual token connect, you can find the video on our YouTube channel. The tutorial of this video is also added there, okay? I will log in through this WhatsApp Connect method. Now over here, firstly, it is asking for me to select the folder. To categorize your different WhatsApp business numbers, you can create folders inside Pabbly Chatflow. For that, click on this plus button. I have created one in the name of home, so I will select it. Now there are some instructions given over here that you need to follow before you add your WhatsApp number inside Pabbly Chatflow. It says you can read all the instructions, but there are some important ones. Use a new phone number that's not linked to WhatsApp, ready to receive an OTP for verification. The WhatsApp number should be new. Remember that. Have a verified Meta Business Manager account with admin access to link your WhatsApp business account. You need to have a Meta Business Manager account, okay? If number is used by WhatsApp account, back up your chats and delete the account first, okay? So if you have already used the number, first you have to delete the accounts, back up your chats and then delete it, and then you can use it inside Pabbly Chatflow, okay? Now click on this next button. WhatsApp Connect mode. Select connection type. There are two basic types, that is connect with catalog and connect without catalog. If you want to add or sync catalog for Meta into Chatflow, we have to select this option, that is connect with catalog. And next it says if you select connect without catalog, you cannot add or sync any catalog from Meta after that, okay? So I'm going to select the WhatsApp Connect mode as connect with catalog right here, as I have created catalogs for my business and I wanted to sync with Pabbly Chatflow, so that is why I'm selecting this option. If you do not want that, simply skip the part, okay? Click on this connect button next. Next, it is asking for me to continue with my Facebook account. So this is the name of my Facebook account. I will continue with this account right here. As I've done that, it says connect your account with Magnate Brains LLC. Now it is asking for certain permissions as we're creating this connection. Two permissions are required from this company. WhatsApp business account access. Now as you're going to click on this get started, the WhatsApp business account access is going to be given to Pabbly Chatflow, your Magnate Brains LLC. Next is business portfolio access. As you have your own business, now we are going to give the access of your business portfolio that you have created inside Meta to Pabbly Chatflow, okay? This is totally a safe process. Your data is completely safe with Pabbly Chatflow. So that is why I click on this get started button. Okay. Now, firstly, we need to select our business portfolio. I have created a business portfolio in the name of MoneyWise. So I will select this portfolio from here. Okay. Add your business name. My business name is MoneyWise. So I will select it. Enter your business website. I have written a dummy website right now, that is www.pabblychatflow, but you have to enter your business website over here in the field. Okay. Next is country. My business is originated from United States. So I will select the country over here as United States. You have to select your own native country. Okay. Then click on this next button. So my next page is select your setup. There are two options. You can connect with the existing WhatsApp business app, but I will show you how you can start with a new phone number. Okay, so select this option, click on this next button right here. Then you will come towards this section. It says create or select your WhatsApp business account. Okay. So now we have to select our WhatsApp business account. If you have not created one, I will show you how you can create first. But later on, as I have already created my account, that means the account as well as the profile. So I will select it. Okay. In order to create a new WhatsApp business account, you have to select the option that is create a WhatsApp business account and select create a new WhatsApp business profile. But if you have already created your account as well as the profile, I'm again telling you, select those details from here. Okay, click on this next button. Over here you have to name your account. My account name is MoneyWise, let's suppose. Okay, I'm going to give it as MoneyWise right here. And then we have to select the category of the business. My business category is professional service. Select your own business category from the drop down and then click on this next button. Okay, as soon as you will click on this next button right over here, your WhatsApp business profile, your account will be created. Now you have to add your number to this account. For that, you have two options, that is use a display name only. That means send message on WhatsApp where people only see a display name in the chat. Other is add a number, verification is required. I will use the option add a new number right over here. You can also select the other option according to your requirement. Okay. Now, firstly, we have to select the country code of the number. The country code of my number is IN, so I will select it. And then you need to add your number right here. After adding the number, you need to choose how you would like to verify your number, via text or via phone call. Select the option according to your requirement. Click on this next button. You will receive the verification code through call or text. Enter the code and then you will be forwarded to the next page that I will show you. But as I've already created my WhatsApp business profile and account, I will select those details from this page right here. Okay. So this is my WhatsApp business account and this is my profile. Then I'm going to click on this next button. After you will verify your phone number, you will land towards this exact page. Choose the catalog that you want Pabbly to access. Over here, you will see all the catalogs that you have created inside your Meta account. Okay, you need to choose the catalog that you want Pabbly Chatflow to have the access of. You can select all the catalogs from this option or select a unique catalog from here. Okay, I will select all the catalog that I've created and click on this continue button. Okay. Now it says review Pabbly access request. Okay. Manage your product catalogs, manage your business. This is what you are giving access to Pabbly. Manage your WhatsApp account, manage and access conversations in WhatsApp, log events on your WhatsApp business account behalf and send those events to Meta. So these are the things that Pabbly Chatflow is going to have the access from you. Okay, it's a totally safe process. So I'm going to click on this confirm button. Then it says connecting your account. It will take few seconds for me to connect the account. So over here the account has now been successfully connected in front of you. Now after that we have to add the payment method right over here. Now we will do the payment, as I will be creating the paid account right here. Okay, so click on this add payment method button and then you will land towards the billing and payments page of your Meta account. You need to add a payment method. For that, click on this add payment method button right here. As soon as you will do that, you have to select the payment method. The option is debit and credit card. Select it and click on this next button. Now it is asking for the card details. You need to enter all the card details right over here and then click on the save button. Save your card from there. As soon as you will save your card, it is going to ask you to fill all your details details like this, like your business name, address, as well as the currency. Select all the details and your account is going to be created. And as now your account is created, you will see all your card details and your business information like this. And if you open your Pabbly Chatflow account right over here, you can see your phone number is now been added in your Pabbly Chatflow account. Okay, you can see this was my phone number. This is my business name, that is Moneywise. And you can see now my business is added into my Pabbly Chatflow account. To access the number, I will select this is my phone number from here. And as soon as I will do that, you will find over here the account is now been successfully created inside Pabbly Chatflow. And now I'm accessing the new phone number that I've added. You can see it says connected. Okay, so this is how you add your WhatsApp number, as you can see right over here inside Pabbly Chatflow, using the method that is WhatsApp Connect.
Now, as our setup is completed, I will give you a quick brief of the features of Pabbly Chatflow next.
So now as we have completed the setup, now I will tell you some features of Pabbly Chatflow that are super important. Okay, I will give you the overview first. Over here, this is the dashboard where you will see all the credits that are allotted, the consumed ones, the remaining ones, and the numbers that you have added. Now also, if you want to categorize the different numbers, you can create folders for that. You can simply name the folder. You can also create the parent folder and create the folder from here to save your different numbers into different folders. Okay. So now this is the dashboard. Next is inbox right here. In inbox, you can manage all the conversations. Over here, you can see list of all chats. You will see all the chats right here. You can directly add the phone number from here of your lead customer or client. And if you're going to select any contact from this page, you can see all the conversations right here. Okay, you can see select a conversation to chat with. Okay, so you can manage conversations through inbox right here. Next is contacts. Now in the contact section, you can create contacts. You can see I have not created any contact yet, so I'm just giving you the overview of what contact is. You can create a contact list from here. You can see the total number of contacts, opt-in contacts and opt-out contacts, and you can see all the contacts right over here below. You can also see the opt-in and the opt-out separately as well. Okay, so now over here you can save the contacts of your leads, clients or customers. Next is team queues. So now let's suppose you have a team and you have assigned the chats to your team. So you can manage the chats in your team through this team queue section. You can see the team list right over here. There are no members right now. You can see the status of the chats in this section right here. Okay. Next is templates. If you want to send template messages to all your clients, you can see the templates in this manner right over here. I have created the dummy templates right here. So you can see the templates in the section, like this is the template that I have created right now. So you can see a template like this. Okay. Over here in the templates, you have explore template section as well, where you will see the pre-created template. You can use them that we have provided to you already. Next is broadcast. So you can create a broadcast where you can directly send messages to multiple people at once. Create the broadcast from here. You can see total broadcast, live broadcast, send broadcast and schedule broadcast. And you will see the broadcast name, type, message and everything over here. Okay, so you can manage your broadcast through this section. Next is flows. Over here in the flows, you can create WhatsApp chatbots, the setup of the chatbot, of how the chatbot is going to work, all the messages that you want. So you can create the flow from here. In this video, I will tell you how you can create your first chatbot right here. Okay, so wait for it. Next is catalog under flows. So if you have created catalog inside your meta, you will see all the catalogs right here. Okay, this first catalog that I've created, you can sync the catalog from here from your meta directly into Pabbly Chatflow and use that catalog inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay. Next is AI assistant. So let's suppose you want to create an AI assistant to manage your business 24/7 and you want an AI to reply instead of you setting up a flow. You can create the AI assistant directly from this section, total number of AI assistant, active and the inactive AI assistant. Okay, and you will find all the AI assistants right over here. In this video, I will show you how you can create your first AI assistant as well. Next is activity log. In the activity log section, you will find what all has happened till now in this account. So you can see all the things right here. Next is settings, where you will find all these options: opt-in management, inbox settings, contact custom fields, tags, quick replies, team members, chat rules, configure SLAs, API and webhooks, and notification preferences. You can see all these sections inside settings right here. Okay. There are some few points that I want to talk about. That first is contact custom fields right here. So contact custom field is going to help you to save the details of a customer, client or lead into a field that you have created. It's a customizable field. Okay. So these are some pre-written field like name, phone number, last name and the first name. You can also create another field, let's suppose as gender right over here, and then save it. And this will be another contact custom field in the name of gender. You can add as many contact custom fields as you want inside your Pabbly Chatflow account. Next I want to talk about is tags. Okay. So over here next is tags. With the help of tags, you can organize your contacts super easily. Okay. To add the tag, click on this add button. My first tag, let's suppose, is Pabbly. I will enter Pabbly and click on this add tag button. And in this manner, you can add the tag like this right over here. I will add another tag, let's suppose as Pabbly Chatflow. You can create as many tags as you want inside Pabbly Chatflow account like this. Okay. So now these are some important features of Pabbly, but now if you want to learn about each and every feature in brief, we have already created and explained every single feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief and created a video and uploaded on our YouTube channel. You can check out the playlist. You can learn about each and every feature of Pabbly Chatflow in brief through those videos.
So these were the amazing features of Pabbly Chatflow. Now next we are going to learn how you can create your first WhatsApp chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. That too without need of any coding and programming skills.
So now I will teach you how you can create your first bot. Okay. So now for creating your first WhatsApp chatbot, simply go towards the flows section right over here from the left side and click on this add flow button. So now let us create our first bot of our business. Okay. Firstly, we are going to rename this bot. Okay. I am going to rename this bot as new bot right over here, but you can name this bot whatever you want according to your requirement. Okay. Now after renaming the bot, I will tell you a little bit about this bot page. There are two main sections, that is message and actions. In message, these are the options: text button, media button, list, catalog, message, single product, multiple product and template. Okay. And in actions, there are option condition, ask address, ask location, ask question, ask media, set custom field, add tag, API request, single AI message, AI assistant, assign AI assistant, delay and connect flow. Okay. And over here on this side, you will see the entire bot that you are going to create. Okay. Now, first section while creating the bot will occur is, that is trigger. Now, trigger is the section through which this bot is going to be initiated. This bot is going to start. Now, there are multiple trigger events in order to initiate this bot. So now let us discuss about them. Keywords and regex match that we will use in this video. So I'll explain it to you later. Other one is user start conversation. If the initial message is given by the user, if you will use this event, automatically this bot is going to be initiated. Okay. Select template. So if you have created a message template inside your Pabbly Chatflow account and through that template any of the user sends any of the messages, automatically with this event the bot is going to be initiated. WhatsApp template delivered. As soon as the template is going to be delivered towards the person who have received the template, this bot is going to start. Contact added. If any of the contact is added, automatically what is going to happen, this bot is going to be triggered. Contact added to contact list. If the contact is added to a certain contact list, this bot is going to trigger. Okay. Custom field updated. If any of the custom field is added or updated for a contact, automatically through this event the bot is going to trigger. And over here, contact's birthday is coming soon, so you have to wait for this amazing feature as well. And next is tag assigned. If over here triggers the flow when the tag is assigned to a contact during an update. Okay, so this is going to trigger the flow. I will select the trigger event as keyword regex match. Now what is this keyword first? So let's suppose a customer sends you a message as hello, hi, hey there, or whatever like that. Okay. and you have entered that keyword in the section. So let's suppose my keyword is hey. I will press the enter key to save it. In the similar manner, as soon as many keywords I want, I can add over here in this amazing feature. Okay. So over here, let's suppose this message, hey, hello, or any other keyword that you have entered is forwarded by the lead or the customer towards this bot. Automatically, this bot is going to trigger from here. Okay. Next is regex. Regex is a short for regular expressions. It's a special pattern or sequence of characters used to find, match, or filter specific text. Okay, so over here you can enter the regex according to your requirement. I do not want that. I will work with the keywords itself. So I'm going to skip the part. Okay, so after setting up the first section, that is trigger, now you will add your messages section or actions. Okay, so after the trigger, I want to send a text. Now for the text, simply drag the point from this dot and drop it in this field. You will see choose content type. These content type are usually the message right here. You can see the same options are given in the content type under the message section. My content type is text plus button right over here. So I will select it. And now we have to enter the message that is going to be forwarded towards the lead or the contact who have sent it as the message that has triggered this bot. So we have to send our first message from our side, the business's side. So my first message over here is going to be, so this is my first message that I have. Hi there, welcome to Prime Nest Realty, where we help you to find your perfect space. To help you better, please select what you're looking for, what brings you here today. Okay. So you can see right over here, this is my first message that I want to send. Now in this first message, in front of some values and in the end of some values, I've added this amazing star right over here. The star is used for formatting to create a text into a bold format. So that is why I've added the stars in front of some words and in the end of some sentences in order to create the entire sentence bold. Okay. So now with this, I have asked, to help you better, please select what you're looking for. So now I need to add some options below. And now to add the options, we'll use this amazing feature that is add button. Inside Pabbly Chatflow, you can add maximum number of 3 buttons only. I will add only 2 buttons right over here. If you want, you can add 3 according to your requirement. Now we have to name both of our buttons. So for the name of my buttons, I will name it over here. So these are the name of my buttons: buy property and sell property. According to your business, you need to add your button text. Okay. After naming the button text, now what I want is, in order to have this options fulfilled, what I will do is I will ask certain questions towards this lead. Okay. So first is buy property. So now in order to buy the property, first of all, I need to know about the customer. I need to collect some data from the customer. So I have to ask question. Now to add the question right over here, we'll go towards this action section and simply drag this ask question from here and drop it in this field and connect this with the buy property. Now, not just for the buy property, I have questions related to what? Sell property as well. So I will set up all the questions for the buy property as well as the sell property right over here and show you the entire bot right now. So you can see I've added all the questions right over here for the buy property as well as for the sell property. So now let me tell you how you can set up your question field. Okay. So my first question is, awesome, you're looking to buy a property. Great decision. Let's get a few quick details. What your full name? Okay. I have created a contact custom field. I've already showed you how you can create your own contact custom field. I have created a contact custom field in the name of full name. So as soon as the lead is going to answer this question right over here, that answer, the entire answer is going to be saved in this contact custom field. So this is how contact custom field is so useful inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay. Over here, after selecting the contact custom field, what will be the format of the reply? So you can select the format right here. Options are any, text, number, date, true, false, email, and regex according to your requirement. Okay. Enter the number of attempts. I will give only 1 attempt. So I've selected 1. And next is validation message. So now what is this validation message? So let's suppose the answer is not according to the selected format. Automatically the validation message is going to be forwarded. I have written over here as error. Okay. Now in the same manner, I've collected the phone number, email address, Location, what's your preferred location or city for the property. Budget, what's your budget range, and what is your property type. You can see apartment, villa or plot. Okay, so these are the questions that is going to be forwarded with this section, that is buy property. Next over here comes sell property. For selling property, you can see looking to sell your property. We have got buyers ready. Just a few questions. Okay, what's your full name? Again, full name, phone number, email address. Now after collecting the basic details, we have to ask where is your property located. So you have to enter the property location. The answer will be saved. Property type. What is the type of property you are selling? Apartment, plot or the villa. Okay, and what's your expected selling price. So now this bot has asked all these questions right over here. So you can ask questions in the similar manner. You have another option. If you want to add a list inside this bot, you can use this list section right over here. You can add a list, name the header and the body, and then add the section right over here, give the section title, and under sections you can also add items. Okay, so I'm just telling you how you can use different nodes from this message as well as the action side to create your amazing and very interactive WhatsApp chatbot. Okay, you can see all the details, delay, AI message. You can use all these details right here. Now after asking all the questions, now the question part is completed. Now I want to send a thank you message and confirming all the details. Okay, now for the thank you message, I'm going to simply drag the point of this question, last question field, drop it over here. Content type is going to be text plus button, and now I will write my text message. That is going to be, so now I've added both of my messages for buy and sell property. I will show you the messages. Thank you, dollar full name. Now what is this dollar full name? So now let's suppose I want to take out the data from the contact custom field and add it over here in the message to send a personalized message. So simply what you can do is, I have created contact custom field in the name of full name, so I've exactly written the name, and just in front of it I've added a dollar sign. So the data will be taken out from the field and added in this message. Okay, one of our experts will reach out to you shortly with the best property options in the location. As I've asked for the location, you can see right over here, this is the location. Automatically that location will be added here. Okay, so this is the message that is going to be forwarded after all these questions. In the similar manner, I've added the sell property message, thank you, dollar full name, add the dollar sign, remember that right over here. Our team will connect with you soon to assign you with selling your property at best value. Okay, so now this entire bot is created, and in the similar manner you can see your bot on the screen like this. Okay, as now this bot is created, toggle this button on to activate this bot and save this bot from here. Okay, it says flow updated successfully. So now what we are going to do is, we are going to check whether this bot, new bot that we have created, is working or not. For that, with my WhatsApp number as a customer, I will send a message towards this bot and check whether automatically I'm receiving the replies like this in the similar manner or not. Okay, so let me open my WhatsApp. So this is my WhatsApp, you can see right over here, and this is the bot's phone number. So let me send my message, that is hello, right over here to this bot. Okay, as I've set this up as my keyword, I'm sending this keyword. As soon as I've forwarded this keyword right over here towards this bot, I've instantly received a reply, hi there, welcome to Prime Nest Realty. You can see the text is bold, where we help you to find your perfect space. The two options, buy property and sell property, is right here. I will select the option, let's suppose, as sell property. As soon as I've selected this option, sell property, firstly it is asking for my name. For the name, let's suppose I'm going to give it as test name and send this name right over here. As I've forwarded the name, it is asking for my phone number, so I'm going to enter my phone number right here and then send this message. After sending my phone number, next it is asking for my email address, for which I will write over here as test@pabblytudes.com and then send the email address right here. After sending the email address, it is asking for my property location. My property location, let's suppose, is Bhopal, so I will send the name of the property located. Next, my property type is a villa, so I'm going to copy the name and send this right over here as a message. It says what expected selling price, so let's suppose my expected selling price is rupees 1.5 crore. Okay, so I've forwarded my expected selling price right here, and you can see after the selling price expected, it says thank you, test name. This was the name, you can see I've forwarded right over here. Our team will connect with you soon to assign with selling your property at the best value. Okay, so you can see this bot is exactly replying in the same format. You can see it is asking all the questions and it has given me the final reply. Okay, So now as this bot is replying, this is how your first amazing bot is created for your business. I've taken a test business in this example. You have to take your own business and create this amazing WhatsApp chatbot and automate your conversations.
So, did you see how simple it was to create an amazing WhatsApp chatbot? Now, in the similar manner, I will show you how you can create your first AI assistant that is going to resolve your queries 24/7 without you lifting up your finger next.
Now let us learn how you can create your first AI assistant. Come to the dashboard. To create an AI assistant, go towards this AI assistant section on the left, okay? Over here on this page, to add a new AI assistant, click on this add AI assistant option, and firstly we have to name our assistant. For the name, let's suppose over here I'm going to give it as first AI assistant, okay? You can name your assistant whatever you want, okay? Click on this add button. As soon as you will do that, the assistant is going to be created. Now let us set it up, okay? To create an AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow, it's super easy. It can be done in minutes. And over here, you have to simply complete some sections like AI instructions, knowledge source, assistant interface, and styling, okay? For the first section, that is AI instructions, first part is to select the instruction type. You can select the instruction type like how you want your AI agent. You want an AI agent, customer support agent, sales agent, language tutor, coding expert. You can select this according to your requirement, or you can also add a custom prompt according to you, okay? I will select it over here as AI agent, okay? Next, it is asking for instructions. In instructions, you have to write the roles and responsibilities of this AI assistant, how it is going to work, how the reply is going to be, and everything. Pre-written roles and responsibilities is going to be entered as soon as you will enter the type right here. But if you want to add more points according to your business requirements, you can add the points right here and edit it as well, okay? Next is AI configuration. First is temperature. So temperature is a range between 0 and 1. 0 being very focused replies and 1 being creative replies, okay, from the assistant towards the lead, okay? So now over here I will select the range as 0.5 as I want both focused and creative replies. I want something in the between, in the middle, okay? Next is select AI to use. Now you have to select the AI with the help of which you are creating this assistant. I will use it as OpenAI. Remember, you should have a paid account with OpenAI in order to create this amazing AI assistant, okay? So remember to have a paid account. You can only create this AI assistant with an OpenAI paid account, okay? Next, you have to select the AI model. My AI model is GPT-4o Mini. You can also select another AI model according to your requirement. Next, you have to provide the API key, which you will find in your OpenAI account. To simply have the key, go to the hyperlink in the help desk right here. And then you will land towards the API key section of your OpenAI account. Now to create a new key, click on this create button, okay? Firstly, we have to name our key. For the name of the key, let's suppose I will give it as new key. You can name the key whatever you want according to your requirement. Select the project. I will select it as default project, and permissions, give all the permissions. Then click on this create secret key button and the token is generated. Copy this API key from here and simply paste over here in the field and click on this connect button. So this is how you connect your OpenAI to Pabbly Chatflow to create this AI assistant, okay? Next is AI assistant settings. If you want with this initial message or any of the messages you want a fixed footer and header, you can simply toggle the button on of the header and footer, and the footer and header will be there, okay? Next is stop keywords. So now let's suppose the lead wants to stop the usage of this AI assistant on WhatsApp. They want to stop the use of this AI assistant, so they can send certain stop keywords in order to do that. And you can save those keywords, toggle the button on. So let's suppose my stop keyword is stop. I'm going to enter the word and simply press the enter key to save it. You can enter as many stop keywords as you want according to your requirement in an AI assistant, okay? If you want to enter the retry attempt, you can also toggle this button on. Next is fallback message. This fallback message is going to work when the API is not responding correctly. That means this key is not working. OpenAI account is not working. Then only this fallback message is going to be forwarded. You can also edit this message according to your requirement, okay? Next is knowledge source. Now for this knowledge source, this is a very important part of the AI assistant. Using this knowledge source, that is going to be the knowledge base, this AI assistant is going to know about your business and reply to the inquiries of your leads, okay? Now over here you have to upload a file. The file should be in two formats, PDF and TXT. PDF, if you have images in your PDF in the file that you have created, it should be only of 10 pages. You can see all the limitations are mentioned right here. Okay. Now over here what we are going to do is I will show you the knowledge base that I have created. What kind of a knowledge base you have to create, what will be the format, I will show you right now. Firstly, give a business overview in the knowledge base. What is your business about? You have to mention each and everything. What do we do? Benefits, everything. Policies, how the policies work, give everything. Pricing plans, areas where you serve, you can see you have to create this business knowledge base according to your business requirements. This is just a dummy business knowledge base I have created. You have to create a knowledge base according to your business requirements. What are the policies? What are the benefits? What are the services? What are the products where you provide the services? What is your business about? Your business support team details, website, products. You have to mention everything in the knowledge base from A to Z in brief. Okay. So create a knowledge base like this according to your business requirement. This is just a test base I've created just to show you how your knowledge base should look like. Okay. And if you do not have any images in your knowledge base, like I don't have, you can see right away, I have a long knowledge base right here. Simply you can create as many pages as you want in a PDF. There is no limit with the text in PDF, but if you have images in your PDF, there is only a limit of 10 pages. Okay. So now to upload this knowledge base over here inside Pabbly Chatflow AI Assistant, click on this button. I have created, this is my knowledge base right over here. I will open it right here. Okay. As soon as I will open it, under knowledge sources, you have to wait for a few seconds for the file to upload. You can see it says upload file. The knowledge base name is here. And if you will see the vector ID, that means the knowledge base is successfully uploaded inside Pabbly Chatflow AI Assistant. Okay. After adding the knowledge source, next is assistant interface. Now assistant interface and styling, these two options are required if you're adding this AI assistant on your website, official website. You can see in most of the websites nowadays you will see a help column, a support column, like a button like this in the corner, and as soon as you go on it you will see a chart like this. So if you want to edit that chart, this is the button and the chart you will receive on your website. You will see the exact interface exactly like this. Okay. So now we are going to edit the changes like the name and other things using the assistant interface and styling. First is the brand name. My business name is Urban Nest Realty. You can see right over here. You have to enter your business name right over here, Urban Nest Realty. You can see it is changed. So this is how it is going to be visible on your website. Okay. So now next, if I want to change this line, we are online and happy to assist you. You can change the line from here according to your requirement. Initial message, the first message. So let's suppose the lead wants the help through the website. So first initial message is going to be forwarded from our side, and you can set up that initial message right over here. There can be only 2 initial messages. You can see right over here, limit of 2 is there. Okay. Now next is display powered by Pabbly. If you want to use this powered by Pabbly or remove it, it's up to you. You can enable and disable it from this section right here. If you want a hyperlink like this, you can add the text as well as the link right here. So let's suppose the user or the lead sends the message towards the bot from their side. The initial message is not from your side, it's from your lead side, your customer side. Okay. So what will be the usual first initial message? You can enter that first initial message right over here. Okay. After setting up this assistant interface, next is styling. So let's suppose according to your business brand, colors and everything, you can change the colors, background, shapes and everything from the styling section. I do not want that, so I'm going to skip the part. Okay. So now this is how you create this amazing AI assistant. It's super simple and easy. Okay. And as I have created all these settings, I have already changed everything, whatever I wanted. To activate this AI assistant, toggle the button on and save the AI assistant from here. As soon as you will do that, it says AI assistant saved successfully. Now this AI assistant has been created inside Pabbly Chatflow. Okay. So as now this AI assistant has been created, now let us test this AI assistant. For that, towards this bot, I will send a WhatsApp message from my side. Okay. So let's suppose I will send a message. My first message is I need help. So I will send this message towards this bot. As soon as I forwarded the message, I will wait for the reply from this AI assistant right here. It says, of course, I'm here to help. What do you need assistance with? Okay. So my first question over here is going to be, are the property prices negotiable? Okay. So let me ask this question. My first question right here. I will wait for the reply from this bot. As I forwarded this message, I've received a reply. Yes, property prices may be negotiable depending on the property type, location, and current market trends. Okay, I've received the reply from this bot. I have another question that is going to be, can you show me 3 BHK apartments in Bhopal? That's my next question. So I will wait for the reply from this bot. Over here, I've received the reply. Sure, here are some 3 BHK apartments available in Bhopal, Urban Heights. You can see the pricing and everything is mentioned. Urban Bliss. You can see I've received the reply right here. Okay. So now I have another question, that is, can I get the brochure of Urban Heights in Bhopal? Okay, so I'll ask this question. So as I forward this question, I'll wait for the reply. It says to request the brochure of Urban Heights, you can send the property name via WhatsApp to our support team. So I want the support team details. So I will ask my question, give me support team details. Okay, I've asked this question right over here towards this bot. I've received the details. Here are the details of Urban Nest Realty, the email and the phone number. Okay. I will ask my final question to this bot, that is, what kind of properties does Urban Nest Realty offer? Okay, so I will send this last question towards this bot. And I've received the reply, residential properties, commercial properties, and rental properties. Okay, so now as this AI assistant is automatically replying to all my queries, this is how you create your first AI assistant with Pabbly Chatflow without need of any coding and programming skills for your business. Okay. So now if you want to use this amazing WhatsApp chatbot on your website, simply go to this embedded and you will find the script that you can copy and paste on your website code to add this AI assistant on your website. And also, if you want to assign this AI assistant automatically towards your contacts, what you need to do is simply from the panel go towards settings and inbox settings section right over here. After coming to inbox settings, simply scroll down and you will find this section, that is AI auto reply settings. Okay, so now we are going to enable this option right over here and add a rule. And our rule is going to be that to all the contacts, this AI assistant that I've created should be assigned. So I will save it. You can also select a specific contact list if you want. I will select over here as all contacts. Okay. Now there is another option right over here. What if you want to assign this assistant to a single contact, not to all the contacts? Simply for that, go to inbox section. In inbox, you can see the conversation like this. Click on it. And right over here, you can see the option choose AI assistant. Toggle this button on and select the AI assistant from here that you want to assign to this contact and click on the save button. You can see the AI assistant is now been enabled for this chat. So you can also assign to a single chat right over here through inbox. Okay, now as we have created this bot and this amazing AI assistant is now automatically replying to all the queries and the messages, that means we have completed the setup of this amazing AI assistant, our first AI assistant inside Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to see different types of WhatsApp chatbots as well as amazing AI assistant that you can create for your business, and if you require ideas, on our YouTube channel, we have created multiple videos related to WhatsApp chatbots and AI assistant. So go ahead and check out all the videos related to your business that you want to create. Okay?
So now everything is completed. Now you are good to go and take your business to next level with Pabbly Chatflow.